for food. I mean, that's what we do on the Rizzo Show. It's time for a Riz on the road. We went out to Las Vegas for a restaurant that is rich in history. The only thing better, it's food.
Dig in.
So we're in Vegas. You know I got to find the best Italian restaurant. I got it. Not associated with a hotel or a casino. Not on the Strip. This place is a landmark. Been here for over 30 years, and if these walls could talk, what a story they would tell. Welcome to Piero's. Evan runs this legendary restaurant, family owned and operated for decades, right, partner?
32 years now.
32 years.
Correct.
You guys have hosted a lot of parties. Talk about the history of the place and the people that have been here. Now, I thought one of the most interesting things was you told me they actually filmed part of the movie Casino in this restaurant.
Casino was actually loosely based on Piero's. So, of course, they wanted to. Piero's is still standing. It's iconic. It's part of Vegas history, Vegas lore. So why not film it if you're loosely basing something on Piero's to film it there? So they went ahead and closed us for 3 days back in the early 80s. And we were able to watch Sharon Stone and De Niro and Pesci film Casino.
So cool. But you also get a lot of locals. Mike Tyson, you said Larry Bird was in last week.
The Birdman was in last week. They were all in town for Team USA basketball and you know, all the rookie stuff. Carmelo Anthony was in the night after, as well as Chris Paul. So we get a fair share of athletes. You know, Justin Timberlake, whenever he's in town, is in.
JT, yeah.
You know, Frank Sinatra back in my dad's day, he had a private plane fly into Vegas when he was in Palm Springs. He'd have a plane fly down, pick up linguine and clams, and fly it back out to the desert. So, you know, everybody's eating here.
We're back in the kitchen with head chef Joubert. Joubert, thank you for having us here. Appreciate it. How long have you been here at Piero's?
32 years.
32 years. Now you're French,
yes,
but you're cooking good Italian.
That's right.
How does that work?
I just love to cook Italian food. It's a mix, a little bit French, a little Italian, but it's mainly Italian.
It seems like this is your passion. If you've been any place for 32 years, you gotta like what you're doing.
Yes, I do, yes. It's fun to create some new pasta with, you know, different things, a lot of different items.
You're going to make us a couple of items.
Yes.
Today we're going to make your world famous ossambuca, and
yes,
you're going to make a little pasta and some fish.
Okay, yes.
Time for the money shot. That's what we call it. Manja time. And folks, I have to tell you, Chef Joubert has made us an absolute feast. All right, Ev, what do we have right here, partner?
That is our world famous ossambuca. We've been making it the same way for 32 years.
Tears right off the bone.
Melts in your mouth.
Folks, spectacular. Penne bolognese.
Now, as we do cut our own meat, we have the meat trimmings. So we go ahead and grind that down and we make our own bolognese sauce.
Folks, this is a Rizzo Show all-timer right here. Al dente. Absolutely perfectly cooked. Last but not least.
This is more for the wife, unless you're a huge fish lover yourself. And that is almond encrusted halibut on a bed of mashed potatoes.
Oh. Chef Joubert, I gotta give him a big kiss for this. We are big fish eaters on the Rizzo Show. That is delicious, flavorful, fresh, and excellent. Folks, in Las Vegas, don't settle for anything but the best. It's Piero's. It is off the Strip, and you better get here. Evan, thank you for having us.
Pleasure.
Folks, not kidding at all on Piero's. Now, it is off the Strip, but not really far. It's like a couple of streets down, and the food is fantastic. All right, after the break, time for